Feeding conserved feed, crops or other supplement is an important part of a farm system, whether for tactical finishing, animal health or filling a feed deficit. To enter supplementary feeding in Farmax, click on your farm name, then select Supplements. The supplement screen displays your feed inventory, percent of demand, and financials. The inventory includes the opening and closing amount each month, and any purchases, production, sales, or feeding. Supplements made on farm and entered in the cropping screen will automatically populate when selected from the supplement list, the yield visible in the produced column. To enter feeding or to change the amount of supplement you have fed, select the crop, then click on the appropriate months in the feeding column and type the new amount. Press Enter. To add a new supplement, select the New Supplement button. This list is based on the feeds in the Crops and Feed database. Click on a new feed. This feed now appears in the supplement list. To enter various transactions, click on the cell of the relevant column and date. Click on the opening cell and type what you started the season with. Press Enter. When you purchase more, click on the purchase column and type the amount you purchased. Press Enter. If you want to edit various elements of existing feeds in Farmax or add a new one, this can be done in the Crops and Feed database. When your supplements are updated, Farmax recalculates the farm's feed budget to support tactical and strategic decision making.